Norway is coming. I gotta get myself into shape. The hike up the mountain in minus 40 degrees is going to be an absolutely nightmare. Oh my god. And more importantly, I won't be focusing on creating art, taking photographs. If I'm not in shape, I'm going to focus on myself. And I don't want that. I want to focus on the art.
My morning starts at 5 a.m. I know that's super early, but you have to put in the work to get what you want. And what I want is to get amazing images that the world has never seen before in locations no one dares to visit. A big part of the preparation as a photographer is strength training, because the animals I photograph, like the muskox, are extremely strong. Speed is an area of focus because wildlife is unpredictable and your reflexes must be sharp. You are miles away from civilization in the middle of nowhere. The terrain is unforgiving. The cold drains your energy faster than you can expect. If I'm not safe, I'm not present. And if I'm not present, I miss my photograph. Consistency is what builds the photograph long before the photograph exists. Put in your reps to get your rewards.
I don't feel my face. The wind is gusting. It's insane. And we are about 50 yards away or 50 feet away from the muskox.
Build up your endurance. You will be spending hours in -degree weather waiting for one moment. And when that moment comes, you cannot hesitate.
See, it gets difficult punching with this, right? Because my wrist is broken. So I'm using elbows.
And finally, patience. You must train not only your body but your mind when you're photographing on location. Wildlife moves at its own pace. Prepare like this, and you won't just come back with stronger photographs, you'll come back a stronger artist, and most importantly, a stronger person. And that, more than any camera or lens, is what creates meaningful work.
Alright guys, I'll see you in Norway with some insane imagery, weather, and not to forget the muskox.